In today's video, I am going to teach you how to print labels from Google Sheets using Foxy Labels add-on. First, prepare your Google Sheet. Make sure each piece of information like name, street address, city, state, and zip code lives in its own column. The very first row should contain clear headers, because Foxy Labels reads those headers to place information on each label. Keep your data tidy and consistent so the add-on can merge it smoothly and you get uniform, professional results. Next, install the Foxy Labels add-on. In Google Sheets, go to Extensions, then Add-ons, and choose Get Add-ons. In the Google Workspace Marketplace, search for Foxy Labels and click Install. Follow the on-screen prompts to grant the required permissions. When installation completes, you may need to reload your spreadsheet. So the new option becomes available in the Extensions menu. Now open the ad. Go to Extensions. Choose Foxy Labels, and click Create Labels. A sidebar will appear on the right. Start by selecting your label layout. Click Label Template Control, search for the label template that matches your label sheets, and click Apply Template. Choosing the correct template ensures the grid in the generated document matches the physical labels you'll print on. With the template set, build the label content. In the sidebar's content area, use the Merge Fields control to insert your column headers into the label preview. Click each header you want to include, like first name, last name, and address, and arrange them in the order you want them to appear. Add commas or line breaks where needed to keep the address readable. Then use the formatting options to adjust the font, size, color, and alignment. Aim for clean, legible text that fits comfortably inside the printable area of each label. When everything looks good, click the Create Labels button at the bottom of the sidebar. The add-on will process your data and generate a new Google Doc containing all your formatted labels, laid out according to the template you chose. Finally, review and print. Click Open Document to review the newly created Google Doc. If the spacing and placement look correct, go to File, then Print. In the print settings, set margins to none and make sure the scale is 100% so the labels align correctly with your sheets. Once those settings are confirmed, you are ready to print your labels. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.